National park are the areas set by government to conserve the natural environment. Boundaries are fixed and defined. No human activity is allowed inside a national park. Grazing of livestock and private tenurial rights are not permitted here. Species mentioned under the Schedules of Wildlife Act are not allowed to be hunted in a national park. They cannot be downgraded to a status of sanctuary. National parks can be declared both by central and state government. No alteration of the boundaries shall be made except on a resolution passed by the state government. First national park of India was Jim Corbett National Park. Largest national park is Hemis National Park. Smallest is South Button National Park, and latest is Konu National Park. Now we will one by one discuss each and every national park.
Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Campbell Bay National Park. Campbell Bay National Park is located in the Great Nicobar Island. One can find thick tropical evergreen forest there. The fauna includes crab-eating macaque, the megapode, the giant robber, the Nicobar pigeon, olive ridley turtles, leatherback turtles, wild boar, deer, and civet cats. The flora found there includes tree ferns and orchids. The national park hosts Champagne, Negretto, Great Andamanis, Onges, Jarvas, and Sentinelese tribal groups respectively. Galathea National Park. Galathea National Park is located on the Great Nicobar Island. One can find tropical and subtropical moist broadleaf forest there. The fauna includes the giant robber crab, megapode, and Nicobar pigeon. Champagne, Negretto, Great Andamanis, Onges, Jarvas, Sentinelese tribal groups are found there. Located in Vandoor, Andaman Island, Mahatma Gandhi National Park stands out to be an important breeding ground for turtles. One can find thick mangrove vegetation, sand-covered beaches, uprooted trees, and sheetrocks here. The fauna found here includes fringing reef corals and nesting sea turtles. Champagne, Negretto, Great Andamanis, Onges, Jarvas, and Sentinelese are the tribal groups that are found in this national park. Named in commemoration of Harriet C. Titler, Mount Harriet National Park is located in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. One can find tropical evergreen, hilltop tropical evergreen, and littoral vegetation here. The fauna includes Andaman wild pigs, saltwater crocodiles, turtles, robber crabs, and butterfly hotspot here. The tribal groups include Champagne, Negretto, Great Andamanis, Onges, Jarvas, and Sentinelese. One can find the picture of Mount Harriet National Park on the back side of the old 20 rupee note, named in commemoration of the Rani of Jhansi, Lakshmi Bai. The Rani Jhansi Marine National Park is located in Ritchie's Archipelago, Andaman and Nicobar Island. The biggest attraction of this national park is the fruit-eating bat. Apart from that, one can find terrestrial fauna such as spotted deer, water lizards, and monitor lizards here. Marine fauna such as dugongs, dolphins, sea turtles, blue whales, and corals can also be found here. The vegetation includes coral reefs and mangrove forests. One can find Champagne, Negretto, Great Andamanis, Onges, Jarvas, and Sentinelese tribal groups here. The national park has been formed by North Button, Middle Button, and South Button Islands. Saddle Peak National Park. The Saddle Peak National Park hosts moist tropical vegetation along with deciduous evergreen forest. The fauna includes Andaman wild pig, Andaman imperial pigeon, and saltwater crocodile. Champagne, Negretto, Great Andamanis, Onges, Jarvas, and Sentinelese tribal groups can be found here. Andhra Pradesh. Firstly, we have Papikonda National Park. Papikonda National Park is located in Raja Mahendravaram, Andhra Pradesh. The river flowing through this national park is Godavari. One can find moist deciduous and dry deciduous forest here. The fauna includes rhesus macaque, bonnet macaque, grey langurs. Apart from mammals, one can find black-bellied tern, pale-capped pigeon, yellow-throated bulbul, oriental darter, pallid harrier, great thick knee, river lapwing, river tern, Malabar pied hornbill, Alexandrine parakeet hare. Reptiles like Indian golden gecko and king cobras can also be found in the Papikonda National Park. Flora such as the Pterocarpus marsupium, Terminalia elliptica, Terminalia arjuna, Adena cordifolia, Sterculia urens, Mangifera indica, and Anogysi latifolia can be found here. The Papikonda National Park is an important bird and biodiversity area. Located in Rameshwaram, the next national park is Rajiv Gandhi National Park. The river flowing through this national park is Pinna. One can find tropical dry deciduous forest here. The fauna includes 50 bird species including little egrets, parakeets, and peacocks. Bullfrog, common Indian toad, common mongoose, and black-naped can be found here. Sri Venkateswara National Park, known for waterfalls such as Talakona, Gundalakona, and Gunjana, the Sri Venkateswara National Park is located in the Seshachalam Hills Biosphere Reserve, Eastern Ghats, Andhra Pradesh. One can find dry deciduous and moist deciduous type of vegetation here. Amongst fauna, you can find yellow-throated bulbul, grey-fronted green pigeon, and white-backed vulture as the avian varieties. Reptiles such as the gliding lizard and golden gecko can also be found here. Flora such as red sanders, Shoria talura, Shoria thunbergia, Terminalia pallida, sandalwood, Cycas bedomia, Cesium alternifolium, and Silotum nudum can be found here. Arunachal Pradesh, named after the Moling Peak and Moling Reed as red soil, the Moling National Park is located in Dibang Biosphere Reserve, Arunachal Pradesh. Rivers Sijum along with Siring, Krobong, Simong, and Subong drain into Siang, which is Brahmaputra, on the eastern side of this very park. One can find tropical forest at lower to most temperate forest at higher levels in the Moling National Park. Fauna such as takin, gorel, Indian leopard, Bengal tiger, barking deer, siro, and red panda can be found in this national park. From the combination of two Jingpo words, Nam meaning water, and Dafa meaning origin, the Nam Dafa National Park is the fourth largest national park of the country. It is located in the Chalang district, which shares international border with Myanmar, on the Dampa Bump range of Mishmi Hills and Patkai range. Now the Hing River cuts across the national park from eastern to the western side on the Chokan Pass. One can find tropical evergreen forest, temperate broadleaf, and mixed forest in this national park. Fauna includes Namdafa flying squirrel, leopard, snow leopard, tiger, and clouded leopard, along with Asiatic black bear, red panda, Indian elephant, and bharel, which is blue sheep, in this national park. Flora, in the form of root parasites such as Sapria himalayana and Balonophora, can be found in this national park, apart from 1,000 plus floral species.